Dear viewers, in today's lecture we will learn about an excellent use of the filter formula. Welcome to Falcon Computer Academy. I am only Vijay, and today in this lecture I am going to teach you how we can find out which items are in stock and which are out of stock from a list. So what is the very first thing you need to do? Look, here I have written some sample data like this, where the in stock list should appear here and the out of stock list should appear here. And here I have the complete list showing which items we have and in what quantity. The items that have reached zero quantity will appear in the out of stock list, and those for which we still have some quantity will appear in the in stock list. So, what do we need to do for this? We will use the filter function. Type equals to, and then you have to type filter. Open the bracket. First, you need to select the range of items like this and press F4 on the keyboard so you can lock this list. Then, after that, add a comma. After that, you need to select the quantity here. Press F4 on the keyboard. We will lock this as well. Then, you need to set it to greater than 0 so that only those items are shown here whose quantity is greater than 0. That is, the names of all items with a quantity above 0 will be displayed here. Then, after this, we close the bracket here. When you press enter, these are all the items that are in stock. That is, the items currently available in stock. Now we want to find out which items are out of stock, meaning which items have been sold or are no longer available with us. For this, we will write is equal to. Then we will type the same filter formula, and after that, you need to select the item here. Press F4 on the keyboard. Add a comma. After that, you need to select the quantity. Then press F4 on the keyboard again. Here, write is equal to 0. Now here we want to display only those items that are equal to 0. That is, the items that are not available with us anymore, whose quantity has become 0. So you close the bracket. After pressing enter, you can see that under out of stock we have 3 items here: scanner, cables, and VJ cable. So you can see here VJ cable, cables, and then scanner. So these items are not available with us. These have come under out of stock and these have come under in stock. So this was my lecture for today, in which I taught you how to find out which items are in stock and out of stock using the filter function. I hope you definitely learned something new in today's lecture. If you liked the video, please like it and share it with your friends. We'll meet in the next lecture. Until then, goodbye.